Welcome, English language learners, to a world of opportunity. Introducing the Business English Mastery, our latest online TEFL training course designed for adults. No matter where you stand in your professional journey, this course is your ticket to a successful career. Dive into a rich learning experience that equips you with the language skills and confidence to shine in the business world. Ideal for individuals and groups alike, it's also a fantastic solution for companies seeking to enhance their employees' English language capabilities. The course offers a wealth of benefits. Achieve fluency in professional communication and gain expertise in crafting effective emails, reports, conducting meetings, and leading presentations. Are you ready to elevate your career? Enroll in the Business English Mastery course and set sail on your journey to success. Invest in your future today. Secure your spot and reshape your career prospects like never before. With warm regards from Learn English. With George.com, we wish you a fantastic learning journey.